Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're on lesson 129 in phonics. And so we're going to do this together this morning. We're going to start off with this chart, but you'll notice that there are no clue words on the chart. So we're going to try to say the chart without the clue words, but I want you to try to think of the clue words that go with this chart. So for example, on the first one, you'll say, in shovel. Good. Okay, so let's continue on with the chart. And you're saying the clue word without being able to see it. Let's see who can do it. And if you can do it, then you can name yourself captain of the ship and give yourself a big pat on the back. Okay? In shovel. O. In banana. A. S in city. C. In faucet. A-U. In saw. A-W. In leaf. E-A. In thread. E-A. In steak. E-A. In brownie. I-E. Over here. In key. E-Y. In obey. E-Y. In phone. P-H. In chorus. C-H. Ought. In thought. O-U-G-H-T. Ought in caught. A-U-G-H-T. Remember how we remember that ought in caught is with an A, because when you write the letter A, the first part of it kind of looks like a C. And caught begins with C. J in giant. G. J in fudge. D-G-E. Okay, good job. Let's move on to chart 12. In asleep. A hyphen. All in also. A-L hyphen. B in because. B-E hyphen. N in enjoy. E-N hyphen. In unbutton. U-N hyphen. And those are all prefixes. They come before a root word. In wrinkle. W-R. In could. O-U-L-D. Air in hair. A-I-R. In push. U. In enough. O-U-G-H. And if we add a T to that one, it becomes ought in thought over here on chart 11. So be careful with that. In country. O-U. Air in carry. A-R-R. I got it on there twice. We'll say it again. Air in carry, A-R-R. And ire in fire, I-R-E. All right, good. It's a little harder without the clue words there. All right, look at these words and let's talk about syllables. Remember, syllables each have a vowel sound in them. And syllables are like the different beats of the word. We've clapped them out, we've counted them out. Okay, let's look at this first word. That's a big word. We can break it up into chunks. This word is Antarctica. How many syllables are in Antarctica? You can clap it out or count it out. Antarctica. 4 syllables in Antarctica, okay? So somebody could tell me 4. Okay, now let's look at the word fork. Remember, there's 1 vowel sound per syllable, and I only see 1 vowel sound in this word. So fork only has 1 syllable. Okay, how about this one? I love this vegetable right here. Or it might be considered a fruit, especially dipped in ranch dressing. Okay, this is cucumber. How many vowel sounds do you hear? Cucumber. It's an R-controlled vowel at the end. So cucumber has 3 syllables. Okay, how about butter? How many vowel sounds do you hear in butter? Butter. ER is an R-controlled vowel, so there's 2 syllables in butter. How about Africa? That's right, there are 3 syllables in Africa. How about letters? That's right, there are 2 syllables in letters. Good job. We've talked a lot about syllables. Okay, our special sound of the day today is ton in mountain. I would love for you to pause the video and try to think of some words on your own that end with ton in mountain. You can start by thinking of rhyming words. Pause the video now, see if you can think of a few words, then resume the play and let's see if you came up with any of the ones that I come up with. Okay, the first one that comes to mind for me is fountain. Okay, there we have fountain. Another one that comes to mind for me is curtain. The cat climbed up the curtain. So we'll move that in place over there. All right. Then another one that comes to mind for me is certain. Are you certain that you closed the door behind you? Certain. Those look a lot alike, don't they? But in certain, we have in city. So be careful there, okay? Then one more, fountain, curtain, certain. I know some of you are probably thinking nation, but remember that's a special sound all on its own. And be careful not to think of words that end in ing, because we say that a lot like we say TAIN. Okay, and one more word that you'll probably see on your worksheets is chieftain. I know some of you are asking, what does chieftain mean? What is that? Well, the word chief is short for chieftain. So the man that was the head of an Indian tribe was actually called the chieftain. We just say chief, okay? All right, adding suffixes. Okay, we're going to add a couple of suffixes onto these root words. So if you have a piece of paper or a little dry erase board or a chalkboard, you can go ahead and write them down for me. Some of you have been writing them down and taking pictures and send them to me, and that is awesome. Thumbs up, I like that. Okay, how about this first one? Let's change wrap to wrapping. You know that it has a short vowel. It only has one consonant at the end, and we're going to be adding a new vowel. So you can pause the video and write it down and then come back and see if you did it correctly. Okay, wrapping. You should have spelled it W-R-A-P-P-I-N-G. Okay, now let's try wrapped. Mom wrapped all of my birthday presents in blue paper. Wrapped. Pause the video. Okay, let's see if you spelled it like I did. It should have been spelled W-R-A-P-P-E-D. We needed to double the final consonant because it's a short vowel word. We're adding a suffix that begins with a vowel. Okay, now let's try hide. Let's add ing to hide. Notice it ends with a silent E. What do you have to do to that silent E before you can add another vowel into the word? Pause the video. Okay, you should have spelled it H-I-D-I-N-G. You needed to drop that silent E before adding I-N-G, and that's how we spell hiding. Okay, now can you write hided? Mom hided all the Christmas presents. No, that's not good English. Okay, how about hides? My dog always hides my ball from me. Hides. Yes, hides is a good word. So let's write hides. You can pause the video. Okay, did you spell it like this? H-I-D-E-S. We didn't have to do anything to the root word because we weren't adding a suffix that began with a vowel. We were just adding a consonant to the end of the word. Okay, next, sandy. Let's change sandy to sandier. This beach is sandier than the last beach we went to. Sandy. Now notice it has a Y at the end. So what is our rule? What do we have to do with Y before we add ER to the word? Pause the video, see if you can write it. Okay, you should have spelled it like this. S-A-N-D, not Y, but I-E-R. You had to change the Y to I for adding a suffix that begins with a vowel. Okay, and last, let's do sandiest. This is the sandiest beach we've been on yet. Okay, pause the video. All right, did you spell it like this? S-A-N-D, not Y. You have to change the Y to I before you add E-S-T, sandiest. Okay, all right. Okay, we're going to stop there for today. So today you should be doing your language worksheet, page 127, 28. After you do it, have your mom or dad take a picture and send it to me. Thank you. Have a good day, guys. I miss you.